Hello everyone, today we'll be replacing the stock yellow bulbs with super bright white LEDs on our 2023 BRZ. The BRZ comes from the factory with yellow incandescent bulbs on the interior and the reverse lights. We bought a $13 kit on Amazon to replace them all with lower power and brighter LEDs. First, we'll tackle the reverse lights. Under the bumper, there are 3 pop clips that need to be removed. The plastic frame for the reverse lights can now be popped off. There are 2 screws that need to be removed with either a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket. Now you can remove the reverse light bar. There's 1 electrical connector that needs to be released with a flathead screwdriver. Twist the bulb holder to release it. Here you can see the stock incandescent bulb. Pop it out and replace it with a new LED. Twist the bulb holder back into the light bar, then repeat the process for the other bulb. This area can be drilled out and you can install another brake light into the red reflector area. We might try this project another day. Replace the bar and cover and you're done with the reverse lights. Next, we'll do the trunk light. There's a plastic clip to release to gain access to the bulb. Since the trunk light gets really hot and it's difficult to remove by hand, we put some rubber on a pair of pliers to hopefully get a good grip on the bulb. It may take a few tries, but the bulb will eventually come out. Now the easy part. Install the LED in the socket and snap in the cover. Last, we'll do the interior map lights. Use the included trim kit removal tool to pry open the map light lens. The map lights are much easier to remove than the trunk lights, so you can do it by hand. Make sure that they're off and cool because they get really hot. Install the new LED, pop the cover back on, and repeat the steps for the other side. This is a quick and easy mod that makes a big difference. Keep watching for some comparison clips between the original lights and the LEDs. Please like and subscribe for more BRZ content.